outdoor movie theater in Texas. At Texas Outdoor Movie Rentals, we bring entertainment under the stars like never before. We're proud to be your trusted source for an unforgettable outdoor movie theater in Texas. Whether you're planning a cozy backyard movie night or a large community gathering, our team is here to make it happen seamlessly. We handle everything from setup to teardown, ensuring a stress-free experience so you can sit back and enjoy the show. With professional-grade inflatable screens, crystal-clear audio, and high-quality projectors, your audience will be blown away by the visuals and sound. Every detail is meticulously managed to provide a cinema-quality experience in the great outdoors. From small towns to big cities, we bring the same care and excellence to each event. Schools, churches, neighborhoods, and businesses trust us to provide fun, reliable movie nights that unite people. We offer customizable rental packages to fit your event needs, making planning a memorable movie night that works with your schedule and budget. Let Texas Outdoor Movie Rentals turn your outdoor space into an exciting, crowd-pleasing movie venue. Outdoor movies should be fun, easy, and truly unforgettable. Call us at 469-802-3997 to reserve your event date. Texas Outdoor Movie Rentals, big screen fun under the Texas sky.